jukes off. Or is she already there?
We're watching William in his natural habitat. The corner. Right now he's very angry. So we should watch out what we do. He's very angry. Watch as he stalks the prey. Dum dum. Dum dum. Dum dum. Oh. Guys, stop. He stopped. Oh. He just stalks the prey. This is getting very hot, people. We shall watch as William finds a ride for the lake. Although he is very angry, we should watch what we do. Because he might attack us too. Oh, there he goes. He's stalking the prey. He attacks. He's attacking the prey. No, he's attacking. We watch Williams next week. Let's get a close up.
What, dude?
Look.
What do you want?
Look at the magnificent beast.
Dude, shut the fuck.
He's angry.
Are you making another video?
He's angry.
You need to find a fucking ride.
He's angry. The magnificent beast is angry. He's angry. Ah!